So let's open the box. With the plastic. So we've got here 8-piece diamond core drill set, manufactured by Titan. 3-piece diamond core drill, 117, 52 and 38mm. There's an extension bar, there's an SDS adapter, 3-jaw adapter depending what type of drill you got, but I'd recommend using an SDS drill. Pilot drill and drift key. The drift key is removing the pilot drill from the core drill. It's used as a guide when you start off the hole, then you remove it to continue the hole with the core drill. So take the cover off. Comes in a nice box. Not bad for $59.99. Other manufacturers were charging about between 90 and 150, but I have bought Titan before. I've got a Titan drill and I'm quite happy with it. So what we got here? This is the arbor. That's the drift key for removing. Use that to remove the core drill by hammering it out. Got an adapter with a hexagonal shank there for a normal drill, for a three-jaw chuck. And we've got the SDS arbor there, so that's the special fitment, which is SDS. It's got grooves in the end of the shank there, so it's quite long, but it's useful if you're going through a external wall, which is consists of a 4-inch brick, 4-inch air gap approximately, and another 4-inch brick. You need quite a long drill bit, a core drill. So how it works is you screw that in there, attach that to your drill, and use this drill bit. That's just tapered there, so it just sits in there. You don't have to fasten it because you're pushing against the wall, so it will hold itself in. And there you have the system. So that's a 38mm. 38mm. It's used for 32mm diameter waste pipes. We've got a 52mm here, which is used. I'm going to use this one for a 40mm waste pipe. These water waste pipes, 32 and 40, are commonly used for bath, wash hand, basin and kitchen sink waste. And we've got a big one here, which is 117mm, which is about 4.5 inches roughly, and this is used for 4-inch exhaust fan, 4-inch diameter or 100mm diameter exhaust fans, for your bathroom, or exhaust fans for your kitchen cooker hood extractor. So that's the big one. So all in all, quite a nice set for only $59.99. There's the fitting diagram. It just gives the instruction of how to set it up. So you've got the adapter and the extension, the core drill and the pilot drill. So this extension piece, if you're going through a long wall, you can put it in the core drill. And then put your drill adapter on the end of the extension piece. So there you've got quite a long system. That's about 400 millimeters long in all. So in the next video I'm going to actually use the 52 millimeter core drill to drill through an external wall of the bathroom project I'm currently in the middle of. So you can watch it in the next video. Thanks for watching.